Well, tell us, give us everything you know about season 2. We're not going to tell them.
Everything on the table right now.
Just stay at this table. Yeah, one of my favorite things about last year was we spent a season setting up what I thought was a really cool world in our mythology, and then we kind of flipped it at the end by making the alphas, public. So we flash forward 8 months, and it's about that ripple effect on all of us, on the world itself, the world we created, and it was a great jumping off point.
Yeah, I think so too. It's an interesting spot because everybody ends up in a completely different realm. Like Nina's gone back to her old ways of pushing, and as we get a little further into the season, I love that she becomes a bit more compulsive with it. It becomes almost more of an addiction as we get a little closer. Yeah, there's lots of new things to play with.
Yeah. We're so scared that we're going to give away stuff. So
that's what I'm hoping to.
I know. We were given the riot act before we came in. So we're very careful.
Were you excited though for the season 2 pickup? I mean, really expected. Everybody knew it was going to happen, but it still must feel good to get the announcement.
Yeah, we were excited. You're hopeful, and things were coming along pretty well.
And it was nice to find out pretty close. Like it didn't take too long. It's like we wrapped, and it started to air for a little while, but it only took like a couple weeks after we wrapped.
Yeah, it was pretty quick, which is nice to know you're coming back. And we had we have a fun show to shoot. It's very difficult. There's long hours, a lot to it, but it's fun. And at the end of the day, it should be fun. And I just think we scratched the surface. And I love where we left off last year. I just thought it gave us so many possibilities for this season. And then once they started reaching out to us and saying this is where we think we're going to go with it, or this is where we're going to go, we went out to dinner together actually with Bruce and a couple people, and they started giving us these ideas, and we were just, chomping at the bit. So he was very sweet.
Energy and so excited, and basically gave us the whole rundown, which I'm sure you'd love to hear. Absolutely. Yeah, so it's nice having you guys too.
Yeah, no, it's been fun. We're starting episode 12 when we get back, so we're really into it, and it's been, it's been a great season. We're really excited for the start area because we've put in so much work, and we're excited. And I think we've all worked really hard, and I think we're really proud of it, so I'm excited to see what people think.
Yeah, I feel like the pushing ability is...
That's Laura.
I'm Laura. But that's okay. They both end in up.
Somebody else go on with
2 A's.
I'm sorry.
That's all right.
You had the ability, right? She does push.
And I don't know your name off by heart, so we're good. So
Anyway, I was going to...
It's okay, I love you anyway. It's okay.
Bad slip. I was just going to say that I love the idea of the pushing, and that's like one of my favorite ability on the show. So, but it's good that they show that there's consequences of it on the show. So, I'm sorry, I'm so frazzled. He did call her David, so that's good, right? If you had that ability, how do you think you would use it, basically?
Oh, in real life. You know what? To be honest, it's such a crazy ability to have because you have so much power in your life, and I think, to be honest, I'd probably feel kind of guilty having that kind of ability. I'd probably go, oh my god, I need to make a difference in the world, and make people more green and treat animals in correct ways and vote for the Green Party. I don't know, I would probably kind of freak out a little bit about it.
I'd just steal lots of stuff.
Warren would go the opposite. But yeah, I love getting to play with that too. I think it's a lot of fun. This year we get to show my ability in a bit of a different viewpoint. I think the writers have been really creative in. We'll get to see sort of the point of view from the person who is being pushed, what they see. You'll get to see a bit of that, which we didn't see last year, which I think is a different perspective.
Yeah. Did you have any influence on how your character evolved during the second season? And if so, how?
I think our whole team, all the writers and obviously Bruce, are very open to input and open to what we're interested in doing, which is always really nice and nice for me. I'm always really curious just to see where they're going to take me, and I just usually like to be really open with it and go, okay, well, this is where we're going. I mean, this year you get to see different sides of distances herself from the group a little bit. There's points where she gets a little bit of a darker underbelly. Yeah, I think things have just been layered in general with everybody.
Yeah.
There's more instances.
Yeah, we are delving a little deeper into everyone and learning a little more about their past as well, which also is an indicator of who they are and where they're going. So they've done a great job, but they're always very open to any ideas you might have, you know, on the day or down the road. They've been great as far as allowing us to share our ideas, which is nice. I don't always get that.
Well, and also in speaking in terms of character backstory, we really do delve into Nina's backstory so much this year, which is really great. There's like a Nina-centric episode for me, which was really interesting because her past really affects who she is today. I think the viewers will really get to know more about the darker past.